Welcome to Workouts at Home, where all we do is work out
at home.
At home. She doesn't feel so well today, so not going to be doing a lot of talking. It's not like sick. You shouldn't work out when you're sick, but just a sore throat. So I'll be doing all the talking. We've got a cool challenge for you today. We work out here at home. We presume you're watching this because you want to work out at home. And so that's what we're going to do. We go through full workout programs here, full exercises, full workout routines. And today we're going to do a kind of a quick challenge video. And I challenge you to do it. If you do it, leave it in the comments and tell us how you did. All you need today is a set of resistance bands. Most resistance bands come with a door anchor, so we're going to be strapped to a pole. We're going to show you how to do it. You'll want to put your door anchor at the top of the door and then bring your bands off. Doesn't matter if you have handles or ankle straps. You can use either one for this exercise. So we're going to show you how to do it, and then we're going to make a reverse pyramid. We're going to start at 10. We're going to do 10 exercises, then 9, then 8, and then 7, and so on. So it's going to be knee-ins and then push-ups, all while suspended. It's going to be killer. You are going to hurt. We'll have to take some breaks in between. So let me show you how to hook up the bands, and then we'll go right into the exercises. So here's my band setup. Get your heaviest band. We're using bodylastics bands. Not a sponsored video. Maybe you guys could talk to Blake Castle over at bodylastics. But anyways, so not a sponsored video, but we have bodylastics bands. We like them. They've got the clips, and we're using ankle straps. Make the ankle straps real big and get your heaviest band because you need it to hold your weight. So Sarah's got one here. I've got one. Our anchor is set up probably at like head height. Okay? So let me just sit down for a moment to show you how we'll do this. You'll sit down on your rear end, slide your feet into your straps. That's why you'll need them big. If you have handles, that's okay. Just slip your handles on. And then you're going to turn over onto your belly and then come out into a push-up position. And you'll see that my feet are suspended off the ground. And now we'll do knee-ins, and we'll do push-ups. Okay? That's it. Sarah's going to join me. We're going to set the camera up on the tripod. We want you all to do it with us. 10 all the way down to 1. Don't quit. From your back, slip your feet into your handles, and then turn over onto your belly. Once we go up, we're going to see how far we can go without coming down. I know this looks scary. You can do it. You can also do it with TRX straps if you have TRX straps. Here we go. Are you ready, Sarah?
I think so.
And up. We're going to go 10 knee-ins on my count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now stay up and go 10 push-ups. 1, Sarah, ladies can go to your knees. 2,
yeah, I hit my nose on the ground.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And while still up, 9 knee-ins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now 9 push-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, let's go for 8. Here we go.
Serious, no break yet?
8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 push-ups like a man. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, to your knees. Oh, okay.
8.
That is painful. I hope you're doing this with me. It's supposed to hurt. Your shoulders should be on fire. Your stomach should be burning. Woo! How you feeling?
Oh.
It's okay.
I sound worse than I feel.
All right. 7's next. Let's go for let's try to get 7s and 6s before we stop.
All right.
Here we go. Whew. And out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sixes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and push-ups. 1, 2,
Moving
3,
too fast.
4, 5, 6. Child's pose if you can. Okay. Whew. Okay.
Can I just rest on my forehead
Just for a moment.
and my face?
All right.
Oh my golly, my chest hurts.
That's a good position, honey. The national television's watching.
Oh my gosh, guys.
Okay.
This does not feel good.
Well,
In a good way.
and we go back out. It's a challenge. See if you can do it. We're gonna go 5s, 4s, and if I can, 3s.
That means that we're just going to finish it off.
Oh, 5, 4s, 3s. I mean, that leaves me 2 and 1, but
I know. And you'll just go, okay. We'll just finish it off.
someone's grumpy. Here we go. And we go together. Do it with us. If you're watching this, stop. Put the video back to the beginning. Get your workout clothes. Get a band. Make it happen. Here we go. Up. Knee ins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And push-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's stay here and wait for our partner.
Sorry.
Yep.
I'm up.
All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, and down. Push-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4. Knee ins. 1, 2, 3. Push-ups. 1, 2, 3. Knee ins. 1, 2. Push-ups. 1, 2. Knee in. 1.
You're ahead of me.
Push-up. 1, 2.
I'm on my last one. If
Make
you're
it
behind like me.
Make it happen.
And 1.
Whew, that's it.
If you don't have bands, you can do this still,
You could do it as thrusters and push-ups.
like this. Whoop. Like that.
That's your knee ins, and then straight to push-ups. Go show them a couple push-ups. I'm just getting her to do a few extra push-ups. Okay. All right. That's it for today. Hope you'll join us. We have full-length workouts. Today was just a challenge. We have full-length workouts where we
Work out at home.
work out at home. Upper body, lower body, abs. We've got a whole series that we're working on now, working on filming and editing. And so those will be coming at you soon. So hope you guys stick with us. We post every Tuesday and every Thursday for a guarantee. Every Tuesday and Thursday at 7 a.m. So jump in, get your workout clothes on, come jump in and do a workout with us. You can do it right in your living room. We're proving it every single time we do it. So
But right now, we gotta go.
we gotta go.